Hello friends, today in this video I am gonna show you how to make this automatic fish feeder. So for this project all we need is an Arduino board, some fish food, a micro servo motor, few plastic bottles, some hot glue. Okay, as you can see at the bottom there is a yellow plunger kind of thing. Let me show you how snugly it fits into the hole. For better performance, I recommend you should use springs. You can see the placement of rubber bands which are holding this plunger from inside. At the top, this is a micro servo hinged with this plastic rod. So when the rod strikes the plunger, some room is made for the fish food to come out of the mouth, and this is the concept of this device. So now I'll show you how actually it is working. So this is medium size pellets fish food. So now I'll power up my Arduino. For the Arduino code you can refer to description, and you can tweak the Arduino code according to your need. Now the device has started. The food has started to fall, and for this video I have increased the feeding time to 1 feed per second, but obviously in real scenario I would go for 1 feed per 6 hours or 12 hours, and you can do it easily in the Arduino code. So if you are having any problem or you want to share your ideas, you can do it in the comment section below. So thanks for watching. This is Manish Thakur signing off.